Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to change control center on iPhone in iOS 17.0.3. So firstly, let's see our control center. Now, go to the settings in order to change that. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the control center option available there. So now in the control center settings, you will see two sections, include and more controls. Under the include section, you will find the controls that are currently included in your control center. You can add or remove controls from them. To add a control, tap the green plus icon next to it. To remove a control, tap the red minus icon next to it. So under the more control section, you will find additional controls that you can add to the control center. Tap the green plus icon next to a control to add it to the control center. So you can see we have removed some of the control center apps and included some of them. So once you have customized the control center to your liking, exit the settings app, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.